Today's lecture is going to be very interesting because I'm going to talk about write ahead log concept in PostgreSQL. This is again one of the most frequently asked question in the interview. And the concept which I'm going to tell you is the similar concept you will find in MongoDB, Oracle database, and PostgreSQL and SQL Server also. Only the difference will be the naming convention will be little bit here and there, but the concept is same only. So let us try to understand about the WAL write ahead log. So when we talked about the PostgreSQL architecture, the top portion will be your memory part, and below you will have a storage part will be here, right? This is the storage part. And we know one thing, that writing a data into the memory is much faster compared to the data into the storage. You take an example, like let's say I'm telling you this concept. You are writing this information to your memory, right? You are not writing it to the storage, because if you're writing it to the storage, it will take a time. So whatever concept I'm telling you, now it is going to your memory first. So this is very faster. But anything which is available inside the memory is not permanent, correct? Anything which is available inside the memory is not permanent. It can be vanished. So the concept which I'm telling you, if it is available inside your memory, maybe the chances that it will be there for 3 days, 5 days, 10 days, 1 year, 2 years, but after that it is going to be vanished. So that's the reason we try to copy a data from your memory to storage, right? Now let us try to understand here. We are trying to understand about the concept called WAL, WAL, write ahead log. So usually what happens, whenever you are making changes to the Oracle database, let's say there is a user one and he is firing the command like insert, update, or delete. So basically he is making some changes to the Oracle database. Whenever you are making some changes to the Oracle database, that transaction, the transaction which is fired by the user is getting recorded inside the WAL buffer. It will be recorded under the WAL buffer. So there will be situations where user is going to do the commit, correct? There will be situations like once you fire the insert, update, and delete, after that you have options like commit, or you can do rollback also. As soon as you are going to do the commit, now that changes needs to be permanent, right? So when I want to make the changes, when I want to perform that changes permanent, I'll write down the data from memory to storage. Similar way, I'm going to write down the data from val buffer to val files. And who will do that? That will be done by the background process. We called it as a val writer. So there is a val writer is a background process who is responsible to push the changes from val buffer to val file with the help of this background process. But when it will happen, as soon as the user is doing the commit transactions. And what will be stored over here? Whatever transactions, whatever changes you are doing it on the database level, like let's say you are doing some insert, update, delete, create any DDL or DML statement, what you fire, that statement related information will be coming over here. Now you'll say that why we are doing that? Why we are doing that? This feature is mainly responsible when you want to do point in time recovery. What recovery? Point in time recovery. Let's say your database has been crashed. That time you need this val files data which is required for your recovery purpose. I'll give one very simple example to make you understand. See, let's take an example. I have a backup available on till 25th of December. I have a backup available till 25th of December. Now current date is 27th December. What is the current date? 27th of December. And I have a backup available. So till this date, I have a backup available. And this is my current date. This is my current date. Assume the situation that on this current date, the database has been crashed. assume a situation on the current date, my database has been crashed here on 27 December. But I don't have a backup available till 27th, right? I want to recover till 27th, but I have a backup available till 25th of December only. Still, I can recover my database till 27 December with the help of this val file. Because from 25th to 27th, whatever changes you have done inside the database, that has been recorded under val file. So most of the time you'll find that we don't take the backups daily, right? So whenever you want to restore your database till particular timestamp, till the current time, that time we use val file, write ahead log. So you need to understand this concept very, very well. I know that you have understood this concept really well, and I know that you want to understand about the PostgreSQL in future also. So for that, you just need to mention interested into the comment section, and I'm going to write down and I'm going to post another videos on PostgreSQL. And if you're looking for trainings related to the PostgreSQL or Oracle DBA or any other database, please reach out to the Learnomate team. Do not forget to follow us on the Instagram, on our LinkedIn, and we have a dedicated Telegram group. You can join our Telegram group also. Thank you.